Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So today we will learn the concept of comparing. Less, more and equal. Now look at the picture. There are 4 fishes and 2 ducks. Fish are more than the ducks. Now observe the given picture carefully and count. Chicks are more than the cooks. And now look at this cute picture. Count. Bees are less than the worms. I hope you will understand the concept of comparing. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.